Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's video, we're going to be rebadging this 4th gen Ram here. This was all freshly painted, and obviously I've got some of that stuff temporarily taped on there to see what I want back on. All the emblems are off of it. I'm trying to decide if to put the emblems back on. This originally had chrome emblems. It does have chrome wheels. It's got the Ram 1500 right on the door here. And I'm also trying to figure out if I want to do chrome handles on this. I've had the handles painted actually to match the truck. Anyhow, I think I want to do maybe black emblems on this. The decals should be black. So let's see how that turns out. Here we have a baggie full of the old badges. Some of these are from the older ones, but I think these are the correct style for this truck. But they're chrome, so I think we'll paint these black. I think that'll look better on the red truck. So let's get them painted. Let's get them on the truck. Here, these were chrome. I was able to paint them black. That's what I want to go for on that truck. Here I have the emblems going back onto the door. Originally these were chrome, so I plastic dipped them black. There was no mark where to put these on. The easiest way I figured out is level out a paint stick. I'll put the Ram here, then I'll level out the paint stick below, keeping the gap even. Letters on the driver's door. Again, paint stick being kind of the guide. And what I use in between is a pencil or the end of an eraser or a pen like this, so you can space them out perfectly even. So we'll let that cure up. I have the 1500 under the Ram kind of temporarily taped just to see how it look. I don't know if I want to just leave the Ram and not do the 1500. Still kind of deciding on that, so we'll see. So I was able to repeat the same process on the passenger side here, getting the Ram letters on top of the hood. I'm thinking this logo here, that's just temporarily on there. And we'll do something for the back here for the decals on the bed. Now, this being a sport truck, I did want something with the Ram and sport on the back of the bed here, but I just could not find anything. I have done those on other trucks, kind of like this silver one a while back. But like I said, I couldn't find anything. So I think this actually works pretty good. So we'll try this. I got the area cleaned off. We'll get this decal on and see how it looks. Here's our bed decals all done. I think they came out pretty good. I'd like to do something with the hood also on this. I have some decals. Let's see how these turn out for this hood. The hood decal has been installed, and I think the truck looks very sharp with the matte black decals and the emblems all the way around. I really do like the decals on this hood. I did end up putting the 5.7 liter right on top of this hood decal, and I think that looks very sharp the way that is. Originally I wanted these to slide all the way up to the edge, but the way they were cut, I just could not accomplish that, but I think they look very good where they're at. I'm happy with those. I decided not to do the chrome handles. I think it looks better just with the red door handles on this. So we'll leave that alone. As far as the rest of the decals, I think it makes the truck look very sharp with the color red and flat black or matte black decals. I think it came out very nice. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I will put some of this stuff in the description for you if you're looking to badge your Ram a similar way. You could possibly do different colors. Thank you for watching.